As a traditional Chinese delicacy, hairy crabs appear on the table in Shanghai every autumn. Although there are various cooking methods, steaming is still the best way to show its deliciousness. Although China's e-commerce is very developed now, and there are many supermarkets selling vegetables and meat, if we have time or want to buy some specialty products, we will still go to wet market to have a look. It is an interesting place. The price of hairy crabs is determined by weight, and the larger the more expensive. Usually 30 to 40 yuan, 150 to 200 grams is a regular choice. 9 females and 10 males is a folk proverb. Means eating female crabs in Sep and male crabs in October the lunar calendar. Because in September, the row of female crabs is the plumpest, while in October, the row of male crabs is the thickest. And the roll is the best part when you eat hairy crab. Crabs grow slowly in 2024 due to weather reasons. Too hot in summer and typhoon, so the price is more expensive than last year. Use a brush to clean the surface, especially the crab claws. Put the hairy crab upside down, it is better. Boil the water. I like add some vinegar to the water. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes. The best seasoning for hairy crabs is vinegar, and I like add a little sugar to it. Because hairy crabs are cold nature, it is better to put some ginger. It's better to start from legs, because it can keep the crab's body warm. You can remove the joint with scissors and poke out the meat with a chopstick. When eating the crab body, open the crab from the abdomen. The yellow part is the crab paste, which is the most delicious part. The crab heart, crab gills, and crab stomach are not edible. And shell parts such as mouth parts is not edible either.
好好吃啊！